Hey everyone, it's Sam with Red Hills Rerun. Today we're going to go over how to use Pirate Ship. So if you've ever wanted to know how to use your credit cards to pay for shipping on eBay, this is how you do it. At first I was kind of skeptical about Pirate Ship because it seemed too good to be true. After using them for about a month now, I can say that they're great. Once you have your eBay account tied into Pirate Ship, all your shipping data gets refreshed daily or whenever you press the refresh button, and the rates that you get are the same rates that you get on eBay. I almost forgot to mention that you can use Pirate Ship for one-off shipments. So instead of going into the post office, you can use Pirate Ship at home to print out your own labels, and you still get the great discount similar to eBay discounts. And that shipping can be for items that you just want to ship to mom and dad across the country, or you can ship to customers either across the country or the next state over that have found an item that you're shipping locally on like Opera, Craigslist, Facebook. So you can ship those items via Pirate Ship also. And I'll show you that over there at the computer. Okay, we're here, and I won't be able to show you how to set up Pirate Ship exactly, but I can show you how to use it and what it looks like. So this is what it looks like. This is kind of like a rates screen. When you want to ship a single item or upload a whole bunch of items to ship or do your eBay import, they also work with many other online platforms. Today we're just going to go through like how to ship a single item and an eBay item. Let's ship to White House, Pennsylvania ad in Washington, D.C. See what to click on the drop-down box. So if it's a box or rigid packing, or you tap on that, and you can tell if it's an envelope, priority small, medium, large, flat rate envelope, all the listings, like all the possibilities that the post office has, regional A, B, all those. So let's just do a regular box right now. So for simplicity's sake, we'll do 12 by 12 by 12, and then we can do 2 pounds, and then click Get Rates. So you can see the best option according to Pirate Ship is $10.86 for priority. You also have $10.56 for parcel ground, or $40.16 for mail express. You can see what the full retail price is. They have it crossed out. It's typically $14.20 for priority mail and $12.98 for parcel post. So that's a great price. You can put your credit card into Pirate Ship and use that to get points. That's why I'm using Pirate Ship. So there are other ways. There aren't any other ways that I know of to get points for shipping items on eBay. So once you buy the label and ship it, it automatically updates your eBay shipping information with the tracking number and all that information. So next, let's go into eBay to see what we have. So currently we only have one order. So if we click Get Rates, this item we have will ship in an envelope, a 10 by 13 envelope, and because it's a manual, we'll send it as media mail, and that's 12 ounces. Get Rates, and we can see that it is media mail is the cheapest at $3.27, but you can check everything else. So parcel post, priority, and express. If it was under £1, we'd also have the opportunity to check first class. Media mail is the best option. We can buy that label and print it. Okay, now that we've printed it, just X out and then go to our next item. So we don't have any other items, but there you go. So that's the quick and easy method on how to use Pirate Ship and how to earn extra points for your rewards credit cards. If you appreciate my content, I'd appreciate a like and subscribe. Bye.